meeting is about.
Hindi ya mucemanio wa mwaka wa kiama kia ARUTANI KNUT uria ugutongoragio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Collins OYUU kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Simwamsikia huko.
OYUU ambiriirie na gukira kanju ya igeranio NEC kumana na gucerithirio kwa mbeca cia arutani aria marugamagirira igeranio, akiuga arutani maririhagwo marikia kurugamirira igeranio ici na kwaga uguo ni mekuoya ikinya.
This time round we shall not sit back. We raised several warnings. Yes, you listened and actually acted late. This time, teachers who invigilated, teachers who marked, teachers who supervised will be ready to receive immediately. These exams are over.
Ona kuria uguo kiama giki ni gitugiritie ministry ya githomo kumana na mogaruku rwonge-ini rwa githomo ta gucenjio kwa uria arutwo a kirathi kia form 4 mariheagwo grade kuringana na mathomo maria mahitukite, makiuga mutaratara uyu ni ukuiganania arutwo othe.
It is not a must that one must qualify for all those compulsory subjects and grading. I want to tell you, there's a sign of relief in our learners with the amendment of the grading system. I came out full blast to support it.
Na arimendekithia ma kamiti ya mwanya mogaruku-ini ma mutaratara wa githomo maria meriga kurugamio ni bunge, kiama giki kiugite kuri na mendekithia mamwe maranyita MBARU na makiria maria marenderera arutani, kwa muhiano kunyihio gwa subject, kweherio kwa ngathi cia mathukuru ma thekondarĩ, kamiti ya TSC kwandika arutani ya nathari, indi mamwe ma mendekithia ma kamiti ino maugite magirire guteanirio.
The categorization of subject areas to be passed so that you go to a TTC was too much for some of our students. And did you see the result or the repercussions? Teacher training colleges were actually dying.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Murang'a igongona otari ni ritabanirio, arutani magicemania kwariria maundu megie sekta ya githomo bururi-ini na makiria megie arutani. Arutani aya moritie thirikari kumahe rutha rwa mieri 6 mbere ya mathiete kuhuruka kuma wira-ini wa guthomithia.
This issue where a teacher is given a letter of warning 1 year to that you are retiring next year. And then the teacher goes and forgets, because teachers are very busy preparing those young ones for the examinations. That paper, he or she cannot remember where she threw it after receiving it. It is good that teachers are prepared in advance. If they are about to retire, just like another government workers who are given terminal leaves, let them be given terminal leaves for them to start adjusting to be at home.
Ihinda-ini riu ni mokiriire thirikari ni kunyihia gwa kigina kiria gitumagwo mathukuru-ini ma muthingi, makiuga kwa ihinda riri matire na mbeca cia kugura indo iria irabatarania hindi ya igeranio cia grade 6.
CS Machogu, look for a way of dealing with this capitation such that these children, if a school has 700 pupils, let the money for the 700 pupils be sent to schools, not sending for only 300 and yet the school is having 700 pupils.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.